How to view a logged profile on Facebook. So if you want to view a logged profile on Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook, now you can simply go for the search, which is on the upper right, and then you can search for any person whose profile has been logged. So for example, if I choose this person's profile, now here this person's profile has been locked, right? So if you want to view the locked profile, then what you can do is simply take a screenshot of this profile, and once you've taken the screenshot, now you can go back and you can go for the upper right, which has that three band icon, and here you can simply go for help and support and then tap on help center, and here you can simply tap on help and support and then tap on report a problem and tap on continue to report a problem, and it will start creating a report. And from here you can tap on include or don't include, and from here you can choose profile, and under your profile now you can simply describe the issue. So you need to simply write that I've been using Facebook application from 4 years and I want to view the contents of a Facebook account who is my friend in real life, but on Facebook he has locked his profile. So I urge to see his contents on Facebook as he is my friend. So kindly open his profile for me, and you need to give the link of his profile if you have copied the link, but if you have not copied, you can simply go and copy and then give the link, and you can also upload from phone. So if you have taken the screenshot, simply tap on upload from phone and upload the screenshots, and once you've uploaded, tap on send, which is on the upper right, which has that arrow, and once you've sent, now your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can view a logged profile on Facebook. That's the only way, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.